I'm gonna come find you.
Excuse me, I ordered a chocolate cone.
Oh, okay.
Leah, gingerbread house looking good. I like the gumdrop roof. And Andrew's still finishing up.
This is how every boy used to be in elementary school. My friend got a crush on you.
Where are they?
Get over here!
No.
I really wish I had a shopping cart right now. Oh, there's none around.
I'm medyo I'm low-key, yeah, medyo ang gay siya. Ang gay siya ba medyo.
Hey man, will you open this?
Man, I'm doing my Christmas list, man.
Come on man, help me out.
Man, damn!
Thank you man.